Hi, today in front of me Vivo V21e and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first let's check, and we can see that the Google Discover option is activated, and if you wanna just turn it off, we should hold for a while our home screen, then tap on the right down corner to home settings. So now we can see here Google Discover switcher. Just click once on the switcher and this option is turned off. Let's just check, and we can see that we just successfully turned it off. To turn it on, but in the same way, go to the home settings, tap to Google Discover switcher, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.